one. Hi, Kiki.
I'm not
Did
a
I
man.
spook
I
you?
don't leave garbage.
Are you friendly?
I've been trained. I don't leave toilet seats up or anything like that.
What about this striped one here? Are you friendly? Oh, nope. What about this ginger here? You friendly? Yeah, you're friendly. Hi, little Gingy. Oh, the blackie is back. Kikis.
Yes, I could either do.
Kiki.
So I'm busy from 9 to 11.
Oh, there's a calico.
But I'll be in Endicott. I mean, I'm actually.
Hi. Oh, she's sniffing my camera. I said she because most calicos are female.
Because I'll actually be there.
Kikis.
Okay.
Oh, this one's a fluffy boy.
Step away and kind of.
Oh, girl.
So yeah, I think. Have you done bodily?
Oh, you're vocal. Hi, Kiki.
They want to climb on me now?
Yeah.
Hi, Kiki.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, some of them just do fine and some of
It's
them
always the stripes that are friendly.
sometimes when you find them,
Hi, striped boys or girls or both.
lost, it might have been a little.
Oh, this one's large, so this one might be a
There's
boy.
tons of those color ones back there. They all like to play.
Is she's still pretty active?
There you go on that.
Kittens! Little babies! Hi! Let me just get that open. Hi, little babies! Oh, you're so cute.
Oh, can't go in there. Come out.
Oh, my bad. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Yeah, no, we can't.
Okay, come out.
Yep, that's our isolation
Follow
area.
me.
So.
Oh no!
Still adorable though.
She follows where all the cats are.
Oh no!
It's okay to go in here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
Is the one place that you
Can you figure that out? Oh, you got it.
Please. Is the gingers in here? Nope, but there's a blackie. Hi, little baby.
There we go. We probably locked ourselves in here. Okay.
Oh, you're stuck.
I know I'm going to be covered in hair. It's okay. Uh-oh.
Kikis. Kiki.
Yeah, kitties.
There's so many striped ones in here.
I know, they're all striped. They're all hanging out.
But there's a black one over here. Hi, Kiki.
Hoping that one doesn't pounce on your head above you.
Ooh, there's a fluffy one over here. Ooh, you're a big boy. Ooh, found the tuxedo. Hi. Oh, found a reverse tuxedo, it looks like, over here.
A reverse? I know, right? Like a reverse tuxedo.
Do you want attention?
Hey.
Who's meowing?
But this one behind me? I didn't even know who's there. That's the one like it was in the window.
Kikis.
There's a lot of cats here.
Oh, this one really likes my camera.
Uh-huh.
Kikis.
There's a whole lot of cats here. They look happy. They're not like fighting each other. They all look like they need a home. That one up there like had a lot of babies. The one up there. Can you imagine having your whole house set up like this, where it's like
Kiki.
cat bonanza?
Hi. You must be a tuxedo, it looks like. Are you a tux? I don't think this one's a tuxedo. There's a big old, like, striped one all the way up there. Oh, found something. Hi. Oh, you're vocal.
Yeah, that's the one that was yelling at me.
Hi, Kiki. Can I get this toy to attract all the cats here in the room?
Try it. Huh, that one likes it. I guess they all know what that's all about. Oh, here comes the- There we go. Let's go fishing. Huh, those two is like looking in the mirror. They're just so happy.
Hey, Percy. How are you? Good, how are you?
I wonder if they have all fancy names like the other place.
Or ridiculous names like pineapple.
Yeah, or kickstand.
Or clutch.
What are you looking for?
So I'm supposed to get Albon. I just didn't know.
This would be the only place.
Okay.
If they're being used, they're open and they're at the location where they're being used. So
Okay.
this would be.
Oh, that one knows how to catch birds and stuff like that. In flight. He's a bird catcher. Or bats.
There's this marbled one hanging out all the way over there.
Which one?
That
That one
one.
up there? Yeah.
And the
The
very
reverse-
fluffy.
The reverse
one.
tuxedo one? She's all the way up there. She's hanging out.
Wait, the tuxedo is a girl?
I don't know. I got a habit of calling she's, he's, and he's, she's.
He, she.
Mm-hmm. Cheese. I like this little giraffe thing. Tuxedo in there.
Kiki.
Well, they all get along with each other. You see the bird catcher too. They jump up in the air. Gotta catch him. Uh-oh. It was my turn. Get away from me. He goes right over there and says, okay, you play by your time. Oh, are you right behind me? Hey. Hey, look at this one right behind me.
Help.
All of a sudden, I just hear meowing in my ear.
Meow.
So let's see, they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 cats in the same room. There's probably one behind the counter, right? Is he bothering you? You don't want to be sniffed? Said, I don't want to be sniffed.
Come get it.
Probably his name's
Get it.
Sniffer. You're a sniffer. It's just so long. It's like a, not like a leopard, but like a cheetah. Cheetahs are long.
Yeah, but they don't have stripes.
Right. I'm trying to, just the shape of the body is like a cheetah. Oh, where'd it go? So we're gonna find out the schedule, see what times or days they're open. Because I know Stray Haven is closed on Mondays, right? So
Yeah.
if this place is open,
It's
on,
closed during Sundays.
well, yeah. So we get the schedule. Excuse me, you guys open on Mondays?
I believe so. Let me double check though. 'Cause
Okay.
I
Yeah, if you got a paper with a schedule on it, we like to have it because I know Stray Haven isn't open on Mondays.
Okay.
And if they open on the weekends, it'd be cool too. You like this place, huh?
Look at these cats just playing around.
So is this a keeper? Is this a place that's really cool? Because you're the one that suggested to come here and check it out. Oh. I almost caught that one. All right, we should be heading back. Normally, you're the one like, okay, I'm finished, let's go. But I gotta get you back. Gotta get you McDonald's so you can take home.
So definitely